Khalko, Assalamu alaikum. Siddiq Sara, Badrang Sara, Siddiq Sara, Nan Kadi Jodo. And in English, today I'm making curry.
I'm making a curry.
No, curry. Curry. Curry means...
I'm making a curry.
Curry. Say curry.
I know what to say.
Say curry.
Curry.
Curry. Curry is made out of yogurt, which is Sami's favorite. Sami is our cameraman today. Let me know, because all of you says Mali has shake the camera, so let me know how good he is, because he's a graphic designer and he works for Iman channel, so he's supposed to be nice, isn't it?
You're just dropping the camera. I know I move very... Go away, you. Go away. You are a bit of a plonker, you
Oh
are.
my god, this jacket is so hot.
Why are you such a plonker for? Damn. What is this, a restaurant or what is this, bro?
Okay, bro, can you cut this as well?
Oh, I'm definitely not cutting that.
Please?
I need some gloves then.
No, you're gonna cut it like that.
I swear I need gloves.
No, please.
Oh, I can't do that.
Okay, let me cut it then.
It's been burning my fingers for days afterwards.
Is it?
Yeah, I don't know why.
Okay.
I don't know why. It's because I have bad skin on my fingers right now.
Is it?
Yeah, because of the house.
That time you work with me.
Yeah.
Oh no, Sami, this jacket you give me is like brastana. Oh, I don't know what's brastana. Quilt. Okay, Sami, I'm gonna take little bit salt. It's just like a 1 teaspoon salt. I never measure because I know my measurement.
It's a tablespoon. Maybe you should measure.
Okay, about 1 big teaspoon garam masala.
That's 2 tablespoons, bro.
Okay, let's see.
No, you said teaspoon.
No, tablespoon.
You said teaspoon.
That much, okay?
I said it's 2 tablespoons.
And the rest go.
I was right.
Yeah, 1. Sami is eating too much chili, so 1 tablespoon.
Oh, whoa, that's a lot.
Yeah, thing. That's all the masala we need, and a little bit turmeric powder. Tamarind, sorry. It's tamarind? Turmeric. Okay. Little bit turmeric powder. I never know these masalas name. Little bit
Little bit of haldi.
Haldi powder. Little bit haldi powder. But that's it. These are my masala. Okay, Sami? Sami, you can talk.
Chop their fingers. They chop their fingers. I'm going to chop my fingers off as soon as he cooks. Okay. Go away, man. I've butchered this.
No.
Leave me alone.
No. See, we need, okay, so we got onion, we got tomato, we got garlic, we got the masala, the yogurt, everything is ready.
Were you making a bat?
You're gonna cut dhania for me as well.
Bat karai?
No, you'll cut dhania for me.
You're gonna, what are you making? Snake karai?
No, I'm making curry. So, you know, loads of people make curry with pakora. My children, especially this is for Sami. Sami don't like pakora inside curry. So I'm gonna make curry. But
we're making a bat curry with imprinted coronavirus. Just for everybody out there, okay?
What's that?
The coronavirus is a new epidemic.
So this curry is gonna be without pakora. If you want, you can make it with a pakora. Okay. First step. The ingredients I need: oil, gram flour, besan, yogurt. My children like
it's just natural yogurt, bro.
natural yogurt, but no, loads of people like sour curry. So if you like sour curry, go for other brand. This is not sour. Okay. Cut the dhania for me. See this? Come on, cut half of the dhania for me.
What do you mean, stalks and all?
Yeah, everything. Just take that much part out. Oh, hey, rubbish macho. Mouse who will curry. So that's tomato. Wait, see the jar.
Vale.
That is garlic.
This whole time you could have done it.
You spelling say K-H-A-A-N.
Yeah, it is.
It's supposed to be K-H-A-N.
No.
I'm making a thank you, John.
Right?
Sammy, don't listen. Couple of. That's my way of chopping thing. So for the curry, the recipe, the ingredient is dhania, 2 chili, 3 tomato, 3 onion, cut, chopped by Siddiq Khan. All the masala which I already explained, oil, basil, dahi and garlic. First step, come on Siddo.
Yeah.
Okay, so I don't measure, but you can measure about half a cup oil. That's all. Half a cup oil.
And half a cup of a heart attack right there.
No, this is vegetable oil, man.
Suitable for vegetables.
Okay. Fire, high fire. Place all your onion. High heat. High heat. On high heat. Place all your onion in this.
Onion?
Onion. Okay? How is it?
What are you doing?
Good? It's looking good?
Yeah, what?
Okay.
What's up?
Let the onion become goldy brown.
Brown the onions?
Brown the onion.
I'm here for translation purposes.
So when you come to that stage, the onion come to that stage, like no golden brown, but just a little bit, change the color. This is a 5 clove of garlic, sorry, 4 clove. And I put that in as well. And now wait another couple of minutes. 1 pot of yogurt, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 spoon of ground
Are you on
flour.
a lecture roll, Sonny? You are? Are you sure? Which address? Why am I whisking yogurt? Oh, what's in here? This is where we make a cake, and the cake is gonna be curry flavor. Curry flavor cake. You ever had it? Tastes good, man. Curry flavor cake, yeah? Yeah?
Yeah, curry, yeah.
Curry flavor cake.
Yeah.
We're making cake?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, Sammy, if you come here, please, darling. Now my onion and garlic is nearly golden brown. I'm gonna put my chili and my 3 tomato in. Leave the coriander on side and whisk it. No, whisk it. Stir it. Okay. Wait for a couple of minutes. Okay, Sammy, in that stage, this is 2 cup water. I'm gonna add a little bit more water to that and whisk it again. Sammy, you know how to make it now. Can you make it now? Sami can't talk. He said that I slowly add all the water, the 2-cup water, into my 1-pot yogurt mixture. We might still need a little bit water, but it depends how thick you want your curry. Sami like quite thick this curry. Okay, now, yay, look. Okay, keep like stinging. Okay, now on this stage, like tomato is like half cooked, okay? Not fully cooked. So put your garam masala, haldi powder, salt, chili flakes. That was the extra garam masala, you don't need it. Stir. Leave it for a couple of more minutes. You ever try to make curry? Are you gonna try now? You talk with your camera thing, is it? You need yogurt chutney or no? You want yogurt? Shut. You want yogurt chutney? No? Okay. That's it. When it's come to that stage, so keep stirring. So now I'm gonna put my
Yogurt.
My yogurt.
Mix.
But make sure.
What's that? Yogurt and water?
No, I already
okay.
say what is in there. But make sure keep stirring it. That stage, if you didn't stir it, it's gonna go all lumpy. So stir, and check your
Hey, what are you doing, bro?
salt is okay or not.
Oh.
No, my salt is a little bit less. So I'm gonna put a bit more salt.
Oh, that was enough salt, I reckon.
No, it is less. Dina, check. Give me your hand, Jana.
My hand?
Yeah, just your hand.
Oh,
I'm not
this
gonna
is
burn
when
you.
your hand gets ruined.
Yeah, go. How is it?
It's like bechamel.
No, I'm not saying how is it. I say the salt is enough or.
Oh, yeah, it's enough.
You sure you?
And I like salty things, so that's enough.
But it's no less, is it?
No.
Okay, now we're gonna Siddiq start quickly naan as well, so everybody's hungry.
Okay, where's Sammy gone so you can record?
Okay, what is it?
I'm staring it. You're saying stare it. Stare it and stare it and stare it.
English is my second language, man.
I'm joking.
At least I
I'm messing with you.
can make you understand. On this stage, when it's come a little bit, like I know it's boiling, stop stirring, and just put the top on and leave it like for good 10 to 15 minutes on slow heat. On slow heat. Okay. So on this stage, I just put the top on and put it on low heat. I'm making this recipe. I will show some other time to you people. I'm making naan with curry for my children. But that recipe I will show you in next vlog, inshallah. You ever see people making naan this method? I learned this from my mother. When she was in America, she used to do that. If you people want to know how to make naan like that, comment and I'll do it. I'll show you the recipe. My naan is ready. On this stage, I just sprinkle a little bit with dana, just dhania, coriander.
Look, there's no spices.
And all the butter, the oil. I just piece a little bit butter in the middle as well. So my curry is ready. If you people want a little bit thicker, you can put less water. If you want pakora curry, you can put pakora in there. But we like it that way. Okay. Now
You got a broken arm, you know that.
I know.
So why would you do that then? You know you shouldn't be using that arm. You should let it heal.
I know. That's
So-
what the doctor said.
so then what?
My curry is ready, and my children gonna enjoy this curry now.
Yeah.
How it says? How it say? Please like, comment, and subscribe, and leave the comments that you like this recipe or not.
Yeah.
Bye.
No,
but I'm
or
gonna.
not.
Huh?
Do you like the recipe? Comment. If you don't like the recipe,
Don't comment.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's
One
okay.
more thing. I'm gonna show you what I cooked today for my children. So follow me.
oh, okay. One second. That is go in, mate.
Okay. Come here. So I make them curry, make them macaroni. If you want recipe, I'll post it. Dum pukht, which I already post the recipe. Chicken roast, my way. If you want recipe, I'll post it. And naan made with tawa, I can post that recipe as well.
Are you going to tell people how to
Thank
eat?
you.
How are you going to tell people how to eat this?
Yeah, it's another one tip for the curry. So a block of makhan or desi ghee, you just put it right in. But my children don't like too much makhan ghee.
Do you know what I like to do? I like to get a piece of bread, break it up into little
Come on,
pieces.
eat. Come on.
No, wait. I'm telling them. I'm telling them. Break it up into little pieces, put it in a bowl. You just have bread in it, and you pour it over the top, and then it's just squidgy.
Trust me, my father used to do that. You want to do that?
Yeah, but not on camera.
No,
No.
Come on.
No, I can't do it.
Come on, do it for me.
No, if I do that, there's gonna have to be an age restriction on this video.
It is. This children is not for children.
This children is not for children. Okay then.
This video is not for children. I always say this video is not for children. That's it.
Okay. So no.
No,
so,
you don't want it.
No.
At
Now you
least
take
try
the take the thumbnail on.
Okay.
Okay, just say bye.
Okay, everyone. So enjoy the video. And inshallah, I come back more recipe with my both son, but one is cameraman and one is my helper.
Yeah.
Jazakallah khair. Allah Hafiz. Allah Aman. Bye.
Bye. Take care. No. Wait, no.